Okay, so we bought this from Harbor Freight 2 weeks ago, and the guy gave us a discount because the box is crushed. It's damaged on this side, here, 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 and there's a spot here that looks like something leaked. Maybe, I'm not sure. Here it is. This spot here looks like something leaked on it. So we're gonna open it up so that if anything is gone bad, we can take it back. Go ahead and open it. So you can see we are only opening it just now. I'm gonna assume these are the panels. Watch out for the cat. Ain't the cat there? No? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so open up the panels to make sure that they're not damaged. Why is it on? Opened it up and the blue light is on. Okay, so far, and you can feel there's like a little motor running in it. So I'm assuming it's trying to charge. Grab the next one. So here it is damaged. You can see it here and here and this area and in here, and then these spots. I'm gonna try and wipe them off. Maybe they're just spots. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one. He's gonna grab the next one. Yeah, let's see, right here's a damaged spot. So hopefully it was just damage to the box. And this is the next one. You see that first one was already untaped. I don't understand why it would have been untaped already. You put them over there. As you can see, he's cutting it open. This one is in plastic, so apparently this has been opened and returned. And this one also has the light on, but I'll check for that one. Okay.
Got it?
So we're gonna close this one and we're gonna grab the next one. Oh, this goes this way. The pincilla. Okay, so this is the third panel. And it also is in plastic, and the little white light is on. So I'm assuming that those are trying to charge. And it's still in the plastic. Okay, so that's that one. And then there's a fourth panel. And you can see he's opening it. And this one also is in its original plastic. It's unopened and this light is on. So that means that it's functioning. Like I said, we're gonna do a little bit more. This is just kind of like an unboxing video. So, and this box has been opened. Let's see here. These are the lights. Yeah, this was used and then returned to the store. Okay, so then here's a light. So here's a light, and this is what I'm saying, it's been used because all this stuff is like dirty, moldy. It's not in its proper plastic. See, this is like dirty.
Está reusado, mira, pues mira. Aquí.
He's pointing out that you can tell that it was either slightly mounted or mounted, because you can see with the naked eyes. I guess you can see like right there, it looks like that it had been mounted, and there's no protector over the screen. This is the brand, and then there's all these cables that are like out loose that should have been tied up.
No viene, falta una máquina, ¿no?
So it says that it comes with, take out the papers. Okay, so this is what the box says it comes with, and we're missing, okay, so we have,
This one is this one.
pull it apart. Okay, so, all right,
That one is con todo.
hold it,
Yeah.
hold it. Okay, so this piece
Is this one.
is this piece. Then we have this piece, which is this piece. Then we have the two light bulbs. We have the two light bulbs, which are here. And we have this piece, which is this. And we're missing the gator clips that hook everything together. And then we have the mounting brackets for the panels itself and one of the panels. So
Y esta.
I think those are actually on the back of the panels themselves.
Pero falta esta misma.
Yeah, so we're missing this piece here. So I'm gonna have to call Tractor Supply, Harbor Freight, and see, because see, there's supposed to be something in this bag. I don't know if it was probably this or one of the cords. But anyway, this is what happens whenever you buy something that is either damaged or returned, and they just put it back on the shelf and claim that it's all there without checking everything. So this is why you do an unboxing video, so that way you can take this back to the store and say, hey, this is what I'm missing. Do I need to bring it all back? Or, you know, can I get the missing parts? All right, so that's our unboxing video of our solar panel. And like, again, demuéstrame la caja de esa. No, the big box. This is our unboxing. Yeah, there's the instructions. So this is our unboxing of the 100-watt, 2 times more power Thunderbolt solar panel kit. Like I said, I'm gonna call them tomorrow and see if they want me to bring it back, or if they're good with just giving me the other pieces that are missing. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, comments, or what have you, just leave them down below and we'll answer them as we go through and put this together. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next time. Bye.